Okay, so this is YASLA, yet another shopping list app, our final project. You can see we have the login, register, and shop anonymously feature. So I'll start out shopping anonymously. There's nothing in the shopping list. And if you look up here, they don't have the little add list option that the logins will have. So we'll go down here and we'll click add item. There we go. And we'll add in milk, which is something that we know is in our database. As you can see, it's already labeled milk. Whoops, let me make that clear. It's already labeled milk as food. So let's add something that we don't have.
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Okay, so it didn't recognize screwdriver, so it popped up with this choose category option. We've implemented a little crowdsourcing so that once an item has received enough votes for a specific category, so you see I voted screwdriver as the hardware category, the database will go ahead and put it in that category and remember it for future lists. So we'll select hardware. You can see it says milk, food, screwdriver, hardware. If I hold on to the screwdriver option, I can say I only buy my hardware at Home Depot. Maybe I have a membership there. So I'll put that in as my preferred store. And you can see it says hardware Home Depot. Alright, so let's plot journey. Jeepers creepers. So there's milk. It wants me to buy milk at the 7-Eleven. And there's Home Depot for the screwdriver. You'll notice it has a little 1 next to the Home Depot and a 2 next to the 7-Eleven, and that's because it's optimized for me to buy milk last. Alright, so one last thing. Goes this way. Instead of shopping anonymously, we'll log in as Bob. And you'll see Bob has this little settings option, and he can save or load a new list. So we'll go ahead and load list. So here you can see a list of things that Bob has previously put in that he wants to buy. So we'll plot that journey. So there's Bob. There's the Giant for him to buy his food item. The hardware store, he didn't have Home Depot as a preference, so instead it sent him to Ferguson's Hardware. And a Park Shoe Repair where he can buy sneakers. If we go back, we can load Bob's other list, which has apples and bread. Or we can, let's add something to this list like a hammer. And beer, which has the alcohol category. And we can save this list as, call it video list. And now when Bob hits load list, you'll notice that the video list has been saved and is one of the possible lists he can choose. So that's our final app.